What is the best way to learn guitar? Is it online courses? Is it video tutorials? Is it guitar tabs? Is it in-person lessons? Well, I'll give you a hint. It's not spending hour after hour searching through video tutorial after video tutorial or going through the hundreds of thousands of guitar lessons online, which is great news because that means you're not going to have to waste any more time on ineffective and boring guitar methods that deliver little to no results. But if you want to keep learning guitar the hard way with online courses, videos, and tutorials, you can go ahead and click skip. Now, if you love music as much as I do, then you know how frustrating it can be to try to nail that chord transition or that lick or that guitar solo. It makes learning guitar not fun because you're trying to learn it and it's overwhelming. You don't know what to practice, how to practice, and you're not seeing any improvement, which just sucks. So you lose the motivation and you're no longer inspired to pick up your guitar anymore, so it just sits in the corner collecting dust or hidden away in its guitar case. Well, if you'd like to learn guitar the right way and discover what you actually should be doing, I'm offering a free lesson where you can come down to the studio and meet me in person, and I'll show you exactly what you should be learning from going from somebody who's like okay at guitar into somebody who can make this thing sing. You've likely never tried it before. It's 100% free if you want to come down for the free lesson. Just click the ad, register your details, and I'll see you for that free lesson while it's available this week. Talk to you soon.